Last three class we finished in logic gates, OR gate, AND gate using a breadboard. Today we are going to know the logic gate, one of the logic gate, that is NOT gate, by using breadboard. So symbol of the NOT gate is indicated like this delta and one circle like, and this is input, A is input and Y is output. According to Boolean algebra, Y is equal to A complement. If A is yes, Y is no. If A is no, Y is yes. It is complement of A. If A is 0, Y is 1. If A is 1, Y is 0. Like that, we can take if A is on, Y is off, A is off, Y is on. Otherwise, if A is given to the negative terminal and here LED will glow in the circuit, positive terminal, LED does not glow. That it should be understood. So, that means in circuit diagram, here we are going to prove this by using transistor. You see, this is the symbol of the transistor. So, you know how the transistor is look like. You see carefully. This is PNP transistor. Its number is BC 547. 547. It consists three legs. First you see, it consists three legs. This one is, middle one is base, and this one and this one. You see, this one is collector, base, emitter. Collector, base, emitter. Collector, base, emitter. So this is NPN transistor. This is negative terminal. This is positive terminal. This is negative terminal. Negative, positive, negative. So positive to negative, forward bias. Here also positive to negative, forward bias. So negative to positive, reverse bias. Negative to positive, reverse bias. That you have to remember here. So now this is the transistor. So this symbol indicates, the arrow mark indicates it is emitter. So this one collector and this one base. This is the base resistor, which is nearly equal to 1 kilo ohm. And this is the load resistor which is connected to the collector, which value is equal to 100 ohms. And it is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and it is grounded. Another terminal is grounded. And emitter is grounded. So here wire is the output comes here. So to check the output whether the current is coming or not, we are connected a LED, light emitting diode. If LED glows, the current is flowing through from output, current is coming in output. If LED does not glow, current is not coming to the output. That should be understood. So carefully observe here truth table. If A is 0, that means A is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. So LED glows. If LED glows, it means 1 we have to take. If same say A is connected to the positive terminal, LED does not glow. So that is 0 comes. So based on this, we will write truth table based on this circuit. So here we use the transistor. What transistor? PNP transistor. NPN transistor. We won't use PNP transistor. NPN transistor. NPN. N means negative. Here both ends are negative. And P means positive. That means negative plate, positive plate. So domination of electrons are there present in negative terminals. There is N plates. Domination is electrons in positive holes. Holes means positive. That means this transistor consists of three legs. So now we will prove this one by using breadboard. So let us take breadboard. Before that, What are the components we are going to take to do this experiment? That we will see first. First, this is the transistor, NPN transistor, negative, positive, negative transistor, whose number is BC547. Next component, 1K resistor that is connected to the base. Next, load resistance that is connected to the collector, and light emitting diode. Okay. Next, one battery, 9 volts battery. Finally, to do all these connections, we need one breadboard. This is a breadboard. So now first I am going to connect NPN transistor whose number is BC547. Here I am going to connect this transistor. I pin the transistor here, 3 pins. So collector base emitter. So first we see according to circuit we will connect this one. Collector base emitter. So from this, here emitter is connected to the negative terminal using a connecting wire. I am going to connect to the negative terminal, and next connection we will take one more wire, connecting wire. So now I am taking wires, connecting wires. So this one, your base. For base, I am using a resistor. For input, here base now. For input, an algorithm I am taking. This is as A. Next, LED bulb is connected between collector and emitter. Collector is connected to the positive terminal of the LED, and emitter is connected to the negative terminal of LED. So this I am going to connect like this. Carefully you have to connect. LED is connected here between collector and emitter. And to the collector I am going to connect a load resistance which is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. Okay, so carefully observe base resistance. It is the transistor, it is base, this is A terminal, and this is transistor, this is LED between collector and emitter, and emitter should be grounded, and here using resistor, collector should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. So this is positive terminal of the battery, this is negative terminal of the battery. Now I am going to connect a battery now. So positive terminal, one side I am going to give. Okay. Next negative terminal I am going to connect here. Now carefully observe in this circuit, this wire I am using as a switch. First we will check. First A is 0. For A we are going to give 0. 0 means it is connected to the negative terminal. It is negative terminal. So now I am going to connect to the negative terminal. It is negative terminal. Now switch I am going to on it. So if you connect this wire to the negative terminal, bulb is glowing. Bulb is glowing means 1 we have to take. So next switch off this one. Next this A is connected to the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal. So now switch on. So bulb is not moving. That means it is connected to the positive terminal. Bulb is not moving. That means 0. This is the NOT gate. So when A is given negative, bulb glows. That means 1. A is given positive, bulb does not glow. That is 0. Is it clear? This is symbol. This is circuit. Let's say this is symbol. And this one is the circuit. And finally truth table. And this is the we did experimentally by using breadboard. Okay, students. Next we will learn in next class. Next one.